Hello, I would like to present math posters just for you. I'll show some examples and provide a link so you can download your own set. These are basic math and algebra posters. They're useful for self-learning and teaching at home or at home school or in a classroom, and they're available on links below. There are 50 math posters total. You can print them out 8.5 by 11 for walls or print 6 to a page for flashcards. Download the full set of 650. Some example posters follow. So allow me to show you a few example posters. How many degrees in a triangle? There's 180. This is a useful fact, but it's simple. Perimeter answers the question, how much fence? How many sides add together to make perimeter? The 2 sides, 2 lengths, and 2 widths. Area, how many tiles? Answers the question. Area equals length times width. Length times width. Area of a triangle is basically length times width divided by 2. The area of a circle is pi r squared. Circles like pi. Pi r squared is the area of a circle. No, it's not round, it's square. The king said, see, those 2 pi are mine. The circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Volumes of cubes, volumes of prisms, volumes of cylinders. A useful thing to say is the math car goes from left to right just the way we read and write. If it goes uphill, it's positive. If it goes downhill, it's negative. If it stays flat, it's 0. M is what we call slope. The equation of a line in algebra is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, x is an x-axis, y is the y-axis, b is the base. Mountains have slope. Slope is rise over run. The roof of your house has a slope, rise over run. Use the slope triangle. Pythagorean theorem is easy as ABC. A squared plus b squared is c squared. In a right triangle, the sum of the squares of the legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. The 2 legs touch the right angle. The hypotenuse is the big side. The c side is the big side. To solve for the hypotenuse, square them, add them, root them. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Find the root. Given the c side, square them, subtract them, root them. It's pretty easy. There's a poster on parallel lines, poster on complementary angles, supplementary angles, percent, part divided by whole, times 100, percent to decimal, divide by 100. To work a probability problem, put on your good overalls. Good events over all the events is probability. To multiply bases, just add the exponents, keep the base. Power to power, just multiply exponents. You want to find degrees Celsius, use the formula. 4 less than a number means 4, not 4 minus, but minus 4. Read it backwards. 4 minus 4 less than twice the number. Plus sign's a little easier to handle. There's just more apples than there are bananas. Download the complete set and start teaching today. Thank you very much for watching.